news sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa ating bagong line of crystals. Ang isa sa ating pinagkakatiwalaan na healer at magaling mag-love spell na si Everlasting Alpha at kilala natin bilang Ate Joy ay naglabas na rin ng kanyang crystals. Huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na! Para sa lahat ng may problema sa reproductive health, para sa'yo ang Healing and Fertility Bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay may hinihiling na blessing na pinansyal, para sa'yo ang Abundance and Protection Bracelet na to. Elephants are known to be wise and strong. Ang Lucky Elephant Bracelet na to ay magdadala sa iyo ng good luck, vitality, and protection. Isa pang pampaswerte, ang Lucky Money Bracelet na to ay mag-a-attract ng abundance at prosperity sa kung sino mang may suot nito. Ang lahat ng bracelet na to ay na-cleanse at naorasyonan ng ating Everlasting Alpha. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon nito.
Capricorn. This is a Capricorn reading. I got Mr. Gemini here. Hi, Mr. Gemini. Capricorn. The impatient Gemini dog. Capricorn reading for the month of May. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Capricorn? Kamusta? Kamusta ang negosyo? Okay, nakakapag-focus ba sa mga goals? I feel may mga dinadalang, sabihin natin, mga challenging situations sa mga Capricorns in terms of love life. So, let's see kung anong meron sa mga Capricorns this month of May. Okay, Capricorn. Kamusta? Capricorn reading for the month of May. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Last two shuffles for the Capricorns. Okay, Capricorn. Finding the stability, you're trying to recover from financial loss, may pinagkagastusan, may pinag-investan. Okay? Nag-invest ka sa isang bagay all in and you feel like parang wala pang return of investment if this is a business or kung marami kang hinahabol na goals right now. And if this is about a connection, nagkaroon ng mga disagreements and you're trying to heal from that and hinahanap mo pa kung magiging stable pa tong partnership na to. Para sa'yo is decided ka to end that pain at mag-focus na lang sa mga bagay na you wanna take control of your life, okay? At mag-focus sa mga bagay na magdadala sa'yo ng like stability or kung saan mo mas nakikita yung future mo. Okay? Right now, it feels like kung ano man yung mga naging issues sa relationship, ang daming mga uncertainties, hindi mo tuloy alam kung magiging mas maayos pa to. Holding back of offer, maraming lies na nangyari sa connection na to. At kumbaga iniisip mo naman na maging mas stable to sana, mapag-usapan, no? Para wala na mga disagreements, pero parang wala kang nakikitang pagbabago. Okay? The reason for the reading is yung masculine energy sa connection na to, kailangan ng like more maturity and growing up to do. Maraming naging, sabihin natin, chismis or hindi mga napag-uusapan yung issues. Kaya it's more of like nakikiramdam. Okay, imbes na parang maging open na lang sa communication, andun yung energy of nagpapakiramdaman kung ano ba talaga yung gusto, maaayos pa ba, okay? May problema sa communication here. Recent past, nagkaroon naman ng reconnection, pag-uusap, pero hindi ko nakikita na naging maayos. Parang nagkabalikan lang or nag-usap, pero wala akong nakitang magandang result here na magdadala ng like magandang long-term outcome. Okay? Marami pang mga questions about truth sa situation, marami pang mga doubts. Hindi pa tapos tong connection na to, but still nagdadala ng maraming questions and uncertainties. Okay? Marami kang pinagpe-pray na sana magkaroon na ng certainty tong connection na to and like makagawa ka na rin ng tamang decision. I feel may mga trust issues here, but kahit maraming naging situations na nag-cause ng trust issue sa connection na to, still, nakikita mo pa rin yung partner mo as someone na gusto mong makasama long term, but gusto mong i-fix kung ano man yung nagko-cause ng mga doubts kasi siya naman yung gusto mong makasama. Siyempre, if you're deciding to be with someone, gusto naman natin na maging maayos, okay? You're doing the right thing sa connection na to. You're doing the right thing sa connection na to. but I don't feel that your person is ready to commit 100%. So, meron ka mga doubts kung mag-move forward pa to, tong connection na to, and you're trying to heal. Nahulog ang barahan. You're trying to heal from yung mga heartbreak sa situation na to. Maraming na-expose na lies and deceit. So, yung feminine energy in this connection is parang nagde-detach na. Okay? In the next 3 months, I feel na parang magiging go with the flow na lang. Kung dati nagkaroon ng energy na talagang ipaglalaban tong connection na to, this time parang go with the flow na lang. Kung mag-workout. Pag hindi, okay lang. And because of that energy, may mga expectations na maaaring hindi na mangyari kasi wala nang masyadong effort, 'di ba? Alam naman natin 'yan kapag hindi na nag-e-effort, ano pa ba yung ine-expect natin dito? Maraming mga nangyari in the past na sobrang nakasakit at nahihirapan to overcome that, painful situation. Because of that, syempre, pag hindi ka na sumusugal, paano mo makukuha yung panalo na gusto mo? Alright? I feel you would feel stuck in this relationship and eventually, you need to make a decision kung mag-stay ka pa or mag-walk away ka na, kung mag-give up ka na. In terms of, kung meron ka mga minamanifest, kung focus mo naman is about business and career, in the next 3 months, maaari mong maramdaman na yung mga minamanifest mo na financial stability ay medyo nagkakaroon ng delays. So, maaaring you might feel like yung sad and disappointed na parang ang tagal naman nung luck and financial stability na gusto mo. Pero hindi ka naman susuko kasi you know who you are, you know your worth, at alam mong nadidelay lang to. Okay? Hindi susuko. Capricorn pa ba susuko? Alright? So, kapit lang, I feel nagkakaroon ng delays, at if this is about like, your soulmate, the soul connection na meron ka is meron mga kailangan na changes, big transformation para din maging mas maayos tong connection na to. And that will be the Capricorn reading for the month of May. See you again in a few days for your June reading. Bye-bye, Capricorn!
Hi, I'm Guy. I'm your intuitive love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all authentic and high quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized na crystals na to.